Hi, I'm Jennifer Jumis, and I'm a voiceover artist. If you're a beginning voiceover artist, you probably don't have a professional sound booth to record in. In fact, you probably started out much the same way I did, recording in the quietest place you could find, your bedroom closet. But even when you record in a quiet or sound-dampening room, it's wise to go ahead and remove any background room noise in your recording so that it will sound really clean and professional. But don't worry, it's not hard to do, and I'm going to walk you through exactly what I do in Audacity. The first step is always to include about 5 seconds or so of blank recording space at the beginning of your project. Now you'll want to click on the little triangle next to the Audio 1 name and select Multi-View. This allows you to really see the full spectrum. So now you're going to select the 5 seconds of blank space that you purposefully left at the beginning. We're going to go up to Effect, select Noise Removal and Repair, and then Noise Reduction. Then you click Get Sample, which is basically the 5 seconds that you just selected. Now you're going to go back out and select the entire track. And now we're going to go back to Effect, Noise Removal and Repair, Noise Reduction. And we've already done the sample, so we select OK. You can play around with these levels, but I wouldn't try to reduce it more than about 7 to 8 decibels. Otherwise, you'll start getting some distortion. Now, what this has done is basically subtract out that 5-second sample from the rest of the whole track. And if you were watching on the multi-view spectrum, you'll notice a big reduction in the blue-gray fuzz on the graph. That's the background noise. Most projects want background room noise levels to be under -60, with higher negative numbers meaning it's more quiet. But don't try to eliminate all your room noise, because then it sounds artificial with dead space. And there you have it. That's how easy it is to remove your background noise. I hope you found this video to be helpful and informative. As I've said before, when I first started out, I watched and devoured as many self-help and DIY videos as I could to learn the process. So I wanted to kind of pass that on to any beginning voiceover artist out there. If you found it to be helpful, please subscribe so that you won't miss out on any of my future tutorials.